What's today's challenge?
Today we're going to be making muffins.
We're going to have a muffin battle. Who's going to win?
Whoever's is fluffier and yummier.
Fluffy!
It's up to you guys to see
Whose muffin is fluffier? Okay.
Into the bowl, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
What do you have in the bowl already?
2 cups of flour.
You're taking advantage of me. Okay, I have 2 cups of almond flours. I heard I need to go through this. What is this called, Axel?
It's called a skiff.
Skiff. Okay.
Or sieve. I forgot. It's
I don't know
sieve or
why.
skiff.
But it's supposed to do this. And then Axel said
2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Okay.
Here's one thing about baking powder. Baking powder is very salty, and my mom here doesn't have a whisk. So all the baking powder is going to be in clumps.
But I have this stiff.
It's to make it finer. It won't make it spread out.
Oh gosh, this one is super slow.
I might finish it before she's even gotten all her almond flour for the skiff.
Who said I have to do this?
Apparently DeepSeek.
But maybe DeepSeek tricked me. Who knows? I give up. Just get it.
Okay, now that she finally got her flour into the bowl, I'm pretty much done with my flour, so I can start to add the wet ingredients.
Oh, you don't have sugar. I have sugar. I don't use sugar. I use shredded, sweetened coconuts.
I don't have sugar? Then what's this? Salt? So into the bowl, I'm going to add half a cup of oil.
I have a half cup of oil too.
And I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of milk. I'm also going to crack 2 eggs into the bowl.
Oh, so DeepSeek told me that I can use yogurt to substitute of milk and what else you have? Milk and milk.
What?
Oh, so you're using milk, I'm using yogurt. That's it. Okay. According to DeepSeek, using 6% yogurt going to make the muffin fluffier. That's the top secret.
What if it's very sour?
Oh, yeah, so that's why I changed the recipe from half cup of coconut to 1 cup of coconut.
Are you sure coconut is that sweet?
Yes, it's sweetened coconut does have a lot of sugar in it.
I'm gonna be done in like 2 minutes, and then she's still doing everything.
Huh? You're fast, actually.
Muffins are easy.
Yeah, I think you're right. I do need a whisk. This one doesn't work.
How is she even going to mix that?
Let me have a whisk.
No.
No, yes, please. Okay, I got a bigger whisk. Should be more efficient.
So I'm just going to whisk until everything is pretty much uniform and the consistency is also uniform. If you look at her bowl, there's like big chunks of baking powder in it.
Oh yeah,
I don't think that's gonna taste so well.
I
It's
will
gonna
fix
be really salty. So I'm going to add in the blueberries. And I really don't want to mix them that much because I don't want my batter to be purple or blue.
It will be, actually, guaranteed. If you eat blueberry, all your teeth going to be purple.
That's why I don't eat blueberries. Okay, now I'm going to start to mix very slowly, and I will try not to get any of the color into the batter.
Oh, this is like exercise, actually. I'm sweating already.
What are you doing? That's not going to separate anything.
It will. I'm cutting it with this edge. It'll work.
Okay, so I've officially given up on not making the batter blue, so I'll just make it gray instead.
Okay, so what I'm going to do next? Oh God, I forgot DeepSeek told me to put the wet into the dry or put the dry into the wet.
Doesn't even matter.
I think I should. So which one I should do, Axel?
Put the wet into the dry.
Okay, I will listen to the teacher.
I'm not a teacher, you're older than me.
Mommy doesn't know how to cook. You cooked for 2 years already.
Okay, so I'm now gonna scoop them into the muffin tin.
DeepSeek told me I cannot use this motion. I have to use this motion.
Wait, you cannot use what motion?
Like circling.
Isn't it supposed to be like...
It said I shouldn't do circle. You ruined the whole thing. If I lose the battle, it's Xwill. It still have dry things in it.
Use your whisk.
Whisk? Okay. Whisk. Whisk!
You do realize AI is trained on pretty much everything. So just spitting out other information.
I love AI. We should embrace the new ear. The AI ear.
It's called the era.
Era. Well, how do you say it?
Era.
Era. We should embrace the new AI era. I hope someday I have a robot to do this. So we have a 3 people competition.
You could just buy a stand mixer. It'll probably do better than us.
I don't even have money to buy a stand mixer.
Yes, you do. You just don't
So
want to
make
buy
sure you like and subscribe to our channel. So we're going to eventually get money to buy a mixer.
She already has enough money. She just doesn't want to buy it.
Because actually we're going to use the only muffin tin here. So I'm going to use this. And I learned from last episode. This is called a Macaron molds. Okay?
Why did it take her like 1 minute to say macaron mold?
Because I'm not used to it. I just learned it from last week from you. I need a spoon actually. Where should I get a spoon? Oh, I have a spoon here.
You do realize that spoon is caked in baking powder. So all the edges are gonna be
Don't
salty.
tell people that, Axia. Just pretend you don't know. Oh! Ah! No. The Labubu has eyes. I want to give it some eye. So Labubu has yellow face, black eyes.
Wait, let me just ask you guys something. Do you think silicone is gonna withstand 375 degrees Fahrenheit? Or is it gonna melt?
It will. I bought this.
Did she just say it will melt?
It won't melt. It's very safe. It's safe to 425 F. I'm having a lot of fun.
Let's see how these muffins turn out.
DeepSeek said I should only fill for 80% because muffin going to pop up, right? Because the baking powder.
I think I told you that a year ago. I probably spent like 5 minutes making the batter, and then I'm going to spend like 10 minutes putting the batter into the muffin.
So you forgot the most important thing. You didn't preheat the oven. Ha ha ha.
You didn't either.
Because I'm far away from them.
I just said it's going to take me double the time to put the muffins in here. So I'm going to preheat the oven to 400 degrees.
Thank you.
What if it's super salty?
No matter how it tastes like, Daddy will eat it anyways. Right, Daddy?
Yeah.
Why you always think my muffin going to be super salty? It won't.
Coconut. She added 1 cup.
Coconut is not salty, it's sweet.
Yeah, but then she also added a bunch of yogurt. Yogurt is sour. The sweet and sour cancel out, and all that stuff is saltiness.
From where? From my
From the baking powder.
2 teaspoons of baking powder. You have a 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Why you only think mine going to be
But I
salty?
have half a cup of sugar to balance it out. You have another cup of...
But sweetened coconut is very sweet. It may contain more sugar than your half cup of sugar. I used 1 cup of sweetened coconuts.
So it's 24 times more salty / sour than mine.
Done?
Why are these so boxy?
It's almost 400.
How do you grab anything in these?
And this is for safety. I bought them new. See? Long sleeve.
This is... One of these fingers is like 4 fingers. I'm gonna bake my muffins for 20 minutes. Bye! See you in 20 minutes.
3,000 whoop-whoos later.
Okay, we're done.
And it's time to taste.
I want to remove this from silicone.
Okay, I'll just pick the dragon.
Okay, I will pick the flour. It's a little bit too hot. Whew, it doesn't look like flour.
I don't think
that
this
much.
is cooked.
Why?
It's still sticky and it also fell apart.
See, mine's perfect. You don't know how to do it. Let's try Labubu.
I'm gonna actually eat one of these.
I will try the Labubu.
Let's see how salty this is.
It won't be salty actually, guaranteed. See, my Labubu is perfect. Look, my Labubu.
Oh, it's not bad.
Told you. What? Another Labubu. Try the macaron.
Okay, that's hotter.
Mine is perfect. So yummy. I will try yours.
Sure. Why are you taking this one?
I tried the ugly one. Leave the good ones for photos.
Take this one. This was too tall.
Oh, I thought Xwill going to win the competition because his muffin grew up so much. Look at mine. Mine doesn't grow up anything, but mine has coconut. So I just want to bite.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat this one.
This is a very classic blueberry muffin. If Xwill score 100, I will score 120.
What?
What do you think, Xwill?
Well, this was about fluffiness, right? Both of them taste good, but mine is a lot fluffier, and coconut isn't fluffy. So it's not
yummy.
fluffy, so I still win the competition.
You want to say bye to everybody?
If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe. See you next time.
Bye.